Hey everyone. So today I'd like to show you a really cool tool in Photopea, which is a free software that you can use either on their website, photopea.com, or you can download it onto your computer. And the tool is called Magic Replace. And as I'm about to show you, you can use it to fix areas of your photo using AI. So my prompt here is a beautiful, intricate red ball gown, vivid, rich, colorful, highest quality professional portrait. Then I'm going to come here, and I already have my model settings set up, but let me just show you the options. So you can use Stable Diffusion, Realistic Vision, Absolute Reality, or Dream Shaper. I personally have had good results with Absolute Reality, so that's the one I'm going with. I kept the guidance the same. I moved my steps all the way up, and I'm choosing Euler A. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit replace. This is popping up saying that if you want to pay $5 a month, then you won't have to watch any ads. Otherwise, you can watch 2 short ads for every time that you want to use Magic Replace, just because it has AI in the feature. So I'm choosing to watch the ads. Sometimes they're short ads like this one. This is only 5 seconds. Sometimes they're a little longer. We lucked out here. Alright, so now it's processing. And here you go. That problem area has been removed. Alright, so that's how you use Magic Replace. If you're curious to see everything I fixed on this particular photo, let me show you the result. So, quite a bit of difference there, and all for free. Alright guys, have a good day.